East Texas. So if a warning is issued, and I do expect warnings to be issued for tomorrow, you're going to want to find the lowest level of your house. If you don't have a basement, obviously we don't have a lot of those here in East Texas because the water table is so high. Find an interior room, maybe a closet, maybe a bathroom. Just make sure you are far away from those windows. A lot of folks live in manufactured and mobile homes. Call a friend right now that has a sturdy shelter, a sturdy house, and ask them if you can take shelter once those watches are issued, and go ahead and leave before any storms arrive tomorrow. Maybe y'all can have a sleepover or something, and also have an emergency kit just in case you lose power, and then have 2 ways to get weather information, to get that warning information. You can get it from a smartphone, you can have TV, you can also have a NOAA weather radio as well. We're going to dive